Hello, good morning. Andito tayo. Mayroon tayong mga question dito about cell organelles. And this is really very common sa test ng general education. Kasi nung nag-take ako ng September 2015, yung lahat ng sciences nila nakafocus lang sa cell organelles. So, I'll be going to discuss this one para mas, ano. Okay, so let's start. This organelle recycles or breaks down worn out cell parts. Okay, so ito sila, they are actually called what's this? Garbage collectors. Okay, so yung fondly name nito is garbage collector. So yung choices natin, mitochondria, lysosome, cell membrane, and ribosome. Okay, sino-sino sila? So, I'll be going to describe them, each of them. Mitochondria is the site of cellular respiration. This is called the powerhouse of the cell. Letter B, sila yung mga nagko-collect na mga dead organelles or worn out cell parts. And then letter C, cell membrane, they're called the guard of the cells because they control what enters the cell, what enters and what comes in and comes out of the cell. And then ribosome, this is the site of protein synthesis. Kasi lahat ng proteins na pumapasok sa cells, kinakat yun siya into amino acids. So pagdating niya dun sa cell, binibuild siya ulit as peptides, then polypeptides and then proteins, yung amino acids na yun. So, ito yung site na ginagawa siya, that's ribosome. So, the answer here, since ang question is like the organelle recycles or breaks down worn out cell parts, this is lysosome. Okay? Next. Number 2, this organelle is moving gel-like mixture inside the cell that holds all of the organelles. Okay, so ang tandaan nyo lagi, pag gel-like structure na siya, yan yung cytoplasm. Okay, so sagot dito cytoplasm. Kasi sa cytoplasm, ito yung part ng cell kung saan gel-like structure siya, kung saan makikita lahat ng organelles. Okay, next, Golgi Body, this is the packaging site of the cell. Kung ano yung ginawang yung protein dun sa ribosomes, itatransport yun ng endoplasmic reticulum, dadalhin dito kay Golgi apparatus or Golgi Body at doon niya ipapak. Okay? Nucleus naman, this is the brain of the cell where the DNA, the chromosomes are found. Okay? This is also the site of ribosomal synthesis. When say ribosomal synthesis, dun sa nucleus, meron tayong tinatawag dun na nucleolus. Sa nucleolus, dun ginagawa yung ribosomes. Okay? Next, cell membrane. So, ang sagot dito is cytoplasm. Pag gel-like structure, cytoplasm siya. Next, this is the thin flexible barrier around the cell that regulates what enters and leaves the cell. Okay, so sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, they are considered to be guards of the cell, the guard of the cell. So, they are cell membrane. Cell wall, this is made of cellulose and present in only plant cells. Okay, this what makes the plant cells rigid and stiff. And this functions as the protective layer of the plant cell. Okay, so yun, cell membrane. Number 4, this organelle is found in both plant and animals. It is responsible for producing energy for the cell. Okay, so powerhouse of the cell, ito siya ang tinatawag natin, and that is mitochondria. This is the site of cellular respiration, okay, or powerhouse of the cell, or the production of the adenosine triphosphate or ATP with the use of the sugar or the glucose plus the oxygen to produce carbon dioxide, water, and energy in the form of ATP or adenosine triphosphate. Okay, so mitochondria. Chloroplast, this is the site of photosynthesis, and this can only be found in plant cells. Okay, yung endoplasmic, mitochondria ang sagot. Yung endoplasmic reticulum, yan yung transporter ng proteins na ginawa ni ribosomes, dadalhin niya doon kay Golgi Body or Golgi apparatus. Okay? So, next one. This is a green organelle found only in plants. Okay, green organelle. That means this is the site of photosynthesis. And what makes it green is the presence of the chlorophyll. Chlorophyll A in particular. Chlorophyll A is a green pigment, while chlorophyll B are those orange, red, or yellow pigments. Okay? So, it uses sunlight and water to create food for the cell in the process is called photosynthesis. So, sabi ko sa inyo, si Golgi Body, ano siya, packaging site of the cell, mitochondria, site of the cellular respiration or the powerhouse of the cell, and vacuole, this is the storage of the cell, okay? Sa plant cells, mayroon silang malaking vacuole at nag-iisa lang siya, sobrang laki. Pero sa plant cells, maraming vacuoles pero maliliit, okay? Next, chloroplast, site of photosynthesis, so this is chloroplast, ayun. Next one, this is the rigid outer boundary of the plant cell. Rigid outer boundary of the plant cell. So, nakikita lang siya sa plant cell. Plant and animal cells have this what we call cell membrane. This controls what enters and comes out of the cell. Si plant cell, meron pa talaga siyang protective layer, and that's what we called cell wall. Okay? Si cell wall. Sinabi ko na kanina si cytoplasm, si chloroplast, at saka si cell membrane. Next, number 7, this organelle offers temporary storage space for water, waste, or food. Okay, so I told you this is the storage area or the garbage bin. Okay, garbage bin of the cells. Okay, so they are considered to be vacuole. Sila lysosome naman kanina, di ba sabi ko is their garbage collector. Sila yung nagko-collect ng mga worn out cell parts and organelles. Okay, next, number 8, this is the control center of the cell where DNA is found. Okay, control center or the brain of the cell. So this is nucleus where the DNA is found. And remember that DNA is found in the chromosome and chromosomes are found in the nucleus of the cell, okay? So inside the DNA, ganito kasi yun, na chromosome, yun yung carrier, yun yung structure na nagke-carry ng DNA. Sa DNA naman, meron tayong dinatawag na gene. Yung gene, yun yung trait na carrier traits. Like for example, long hair, brown hair, chinky eyes, ganun. Tapos sa gene, mayroon tayong dalawa dyan. Mayroon tayong dominant and recessive genes. Yung dominant genes are represented by capital letters and recessive genes are represented by small letters. May tinatawag din tayong homologous and heterozygous. Homologous chromosomes or homologous genes are those like both capital letters or both small letters, homologous, from the word homo, one, form. Heterozygous, marami siyang, I'm sorry, may nag-PM. Marami siyang, may dalawa siya, dominant at recessive combined. Okay, ganun. Okay, so, control center of the cell, this is nucleus. Sinabi ko na si vacuole, si ribosome, sa lysosome earlier. Number 9, this organelle manufactures proteins of the cell. So, manufactures are the site of protein synthesis. Okay, so sinabi ko sa iyo kanina, and this is ribosomes. Nucleus is the control center of the cell. Si cell as mitochondria, site of cellular respiration or the powerhouse of the cell, and cell membrane are the guards of the cell, and they control what comes in and comes out of the cell. Next, number 10, this organelle transports protein within the cell. So transports protein, sabi ko sa inyo kanina si endoplasmic reticulum, okay? Si endoplasmic reticulum transport ER or transporter. Yung ER doon means endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so endoplasmic reticulum. Sinabi ko na sa inyo kanina yung descriptions ng the other three on the choices. Next, number 11. This organelle packages proteins for the cell and sends them out of the cell to other cells. Okay, so packaging site of the cell is Golgi Body. Sinabi ko na sa inyo kanina. Okay? So, ganun lang siya for cells. I hope this helps you guys. Please tune in for more videos which I'm going to upload soon. And yeah, I'll be covering all the things covered by the licensure examination for teachers and also for the civil service exam. Bye-bye.